Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, EdieAdventures. It's a beautiful day. Today I'm just going to do a simple video of my my Saturday. It's Saturday, so I'm running some errands and I'm starting my day. Actually, I already started my day. I went for my my weekend walk, 1 hour. Went home, took shower, ate breakfast, and now I'm out here going to the bank. There's something I need to check with them, and then I'll be heading to, I think, to the car wash, and then go do some grocery shopping. So I think that's what's planned for my day. Let's see. Okay, but I'm not gonna go to the bank with you guys. I have to switch off my camera. I know, really, I can't do that. So I'll first go to the bank and then I'll come back. Okay, see you in a few. Hello guys, I am back. Finished with my bank. So from here, I think I'm thinking, what's the first thing I need to do? I will be going to Costco. I need to pick a few things from there, and then it's starting to get really hot. It's only 11:30 and the weather is 74 degrees inside my car. I hate when it's hot but I think it's better than when it's cold. But I don't want to be out in the sun, so I'll be doing like quick shopping, grocery shopping, and then go back to the house. Okay, see you in a few. So I am back. I went to the store, bought some few flowers, so I'm trying to fix my front yard. And unfortunately there are so many stones at this area, so you can see even my farming tool, I don't know how you call these, it's a hoe. It just bent, so oh. I don't know, they're such poor, they have such poor quality of, of farming tools. And but anyway, it's working somehow. Don't judge me. I know my front yard is not as cool, so let's see how we do this. So I bought some garden soil. I bought 1 bag of it, and then some flowers. So I am gonna move. Those are just a few of them. So I'm going to transplant them from their pots. I bought them in these small plastic pots, and so I am gonna transplant them here, and we'll see if they survive. Let me put a little bit of the garden soil. It's very nutritious. So I'm thinking my flowers will thrive. Let's see. Okay, so those are 3. Now I don't know if I need to put another one here so that I have them in to have some consistency, or to have some organization.
So what season is this?
So this is a spring season. Actually, we kind of late. I should have done this earlier because the flowers should be springing now. But I think I'm still within time. It's gonna rain, so I'm believing these flowers will be okay. I need to fix that area. Usually when it rains, a lot of water usually come down here, and that's why you see we have these thick grass here to hold the rainwater.
Mumomonyoko.
Kuzuia mmomonyoko wa udongo. And yeah, you can see hapa mmomonyoko umeenda kabisa mpaka hiyo miti imenini. Some roots are protruding. So it is what it is. We know that there's a lot of, when it rains, water just sweeps the soil, but we have this something grass, I don't know what you call it. Yeah, that helps to hold down the soil, or to protect the soil from being carried away or swept away. I guess that's the proper word to use. I have pink I need to do to break the monotony.
So would this go through the year, or they are just seasonal?
They said
I'm sure they are.
They said they are annual, so they are they can go throughout the year.
Yeah,
No, yeah, annual they are throughout the year. Perennial they are seasonal, so they can survive. I don't know.
You mean they can survive even the winter?
Well,
and then they come up again in the spring of next year?
Like these ones, like the tulips, the way they die. And
the tulips, yeah, but those, anyway.
I don't know. Actually, I'm also, we'll see. I mean, when that time,
because you remember we had planted some
comes,
here before, right? Remember?
And God keeps us alive.
Talk to me.
Oh, am I talking?
You know, we had planted some here before.
My eyes teary.
And
what happened?
Somehow they went for 2 years actually.
I think we just did not take care of them.
Yeah, but not like this. These are only ones.
We really haven't done. Well,
like within the year you have to plant
I don't
others.
know why they would say they are annual if they were just for the season.
Perennial is the ones that go over and over again. Annual means just one season within the year.
One season?
In the year.
In the year?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Then my English is not English.
Perennial is perpetual.
My English is not English.
It's not Englishing. I can see that.
Oh gosh, just been told that.
But they look beautiful though. I should compliment you. Good job.
Oh, but these things are so. I think I need a pair. Where are my scissors? I don't know. I'm actually not even sure. Are these flowers supposed to be transplanted on the ground or in a pot? Tell me, guys.
The ground.
I'm just gonna do it my way, but I know you can also do it.
Tell them to give you in the comment section.
Yeah, in the comment section, tell me, what do you think? Should we plant them? Is it in the ground? Or should we plant them in a pot? Like get a big pot and then you have different flowers, different colors. I think they would still do well.
Yeah, because these ones, I know they are even in Kenya, these ones.
What are they called?
These ones. I don't know, but they are there.
Where?
Au zinafanana?
Hata sijui yake kusema kweli. Mimi najaribu tu. So, those who don't understand, we speak a little bit of Swahili here. Actually, we speak Swahili. Swahili is our not mother language. We have our mother language, but that's the national language in Kenya. And so we kind of mix up. We speak English, we speak Swahili. So yeah. Oh gosh, I think I need something that can poke this or cut this open. What do you think?
Mm-hmm.
Do you mind helping me with the scissors, the kitchen scissors, please? So I think, yep, this works better than trying to, yeah. So you cut open like that. It's a very light plastic thing, and it makes it easy. Yes. So I'm able to pull the whole plant with its soil and its roots. So I think I can, those are enough in one hole like that. Perfect.
Okay,
so I think this is what I'm doing. I think it's coming up. It's coming along. I'll show you the final product when I'm done. So let me do this. I need to concentrate on this because it's getting dark and I want to finish, and then I can show you the final product. Okay, so I think I am about to be done. This is my last flower, and let's see. So that's how I cut it, to make sure that I'm able to grab the whole plant with the, with the soil and the roots. So like that.
Did you get a blister on your?
Yeah, guys, look at this. It's really painful. Painful. But you know what? When I wake up or when I come home in the evening and I see my flowers are flourishing, then my blister won't be forgotten. Let's see. So here we are. I've just finished planting my last flower. I don't know how to, let me see if I can cut this. Okay, so that's the last flower for the day. I think I did good, although I hurt my palm, my hand. I don't know if I can even do any other job. I can't even cook. I see somebody's gonna help with the cooking. Okay, I'll be back. Give me 1 second. Let's go with this. And we are going to collect our farming tools. So guys, this is what I did today. I am proud of my job. I think I am proud of it. I'll need to come and prune these ones. Actually, this needs to go. And I'm just, I just hurt my arm, so I can't, my hand. I really can't do any more farming or any more gardening. I am gonna close this video here. This is EdieAdventures. If you are new here, please consider to like, subscribe, and share my YouTube channel. And if you're coming back to watch my videos, I say thank you. I don't take you for granted. Please subscribe and share with your family. Ciao.